Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about transactions and recovery, part of database management system course. Transactions and recovery are closely related concepts in a database. A transaction is a unit of work that is performed in a database and is composed of one or more database operations. Transactions are used to ensure the consistency and integrity of the data in a database by allowing multiple operations to be treated as a single unit of work. In a database, recovery refers to the process of restoring a database to a consistent state after a failure or error. Recovery is an important aspect of database management as it ensures that the data is available and accurate even in the face of failures or errors. Transactions and recovery are closely related because transactions are used to ensure the consistency and integrity of the data in a database. And recovery is used to restore the database to a consistent state after a failure or errors. In a database that supports transactions and recovery transactions are used to ensure that the data is updated and maintained consistently. And recovery is used to restore the data of a consistent state after a failure or errors. To support transactions and recovery, a database must implement techniques such as locking, timestamping, and transaction logs. These techniques allow the database to manage concurrent access to the data, ensure the consistency and integrity of the data, and restore the data to a consistent state after a failure or errors. It is important to carefully design and implement transactions and recovery in a database to ensure that the data is accessed and modified consistently and reliably, and that the database is able to recover from failures or errors. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.